The major markets locked in weekly gains, despite political headlines surrounding the Mueller investigation. Of these, emerging markets had the strongest gains. This is on the heels of 3 weeks of percentage point losses. But the S&P 500 captured the most headlines as the index registered a new all-time closing high and became arguably the longest-running bull market in history for the index. On Wednesday, the S&P 500 marked the 3,453rd day from the low of March 9, 2009. This now exceeds the run-up that began in 1990 and ended in 2000. But the S&P 500 wasn't alone in setting records, as the Nasdaq and Russell 2000 also made new all-time highs last week. As mentioned earlier, the market seemed to shrug off the political news surrounding President Trump and the unending Mueller investigation. While no collusion with Russia to sway the 2016 presidential election has been evidenced, President Trump's former attorney, Michael Cohen, pleaded guilty to multiple charges, some of which implicated the president in attempting to sway the election by paying off women with hush money. However, Cohen's lawyer, Lanny Davis, later walked back earlier collusion claims that Cohen had made. Davis said that he should have done more to clarify that he couldn't verify Cohen's claim that Trump had prior knowledge of a meeting with a Russian lawyer to get dirt on Hillary Clinton. It's far too early to see what the direct ramifications are to the president, but investors should expect to continue to see the issue highly politicized in the news. Last week, the Fed released the July-August FOMC meeting minutes. They continue to point to the possibility of another rate increase at the September meeting, with officials saying in the minutes that it would likely soon be appropriate to take another step in removing policy accommodation. Finally, on Friday, Fed Chairman Jerome Powell spoke at the Kansas City Fed's annual economic symposium in Jackson Hole, Wyoming. In his remarks, he said that he expected the economy's strong performance will continue, and that the Fed's gradual process of normalization remains appropriate.